In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to start working with agents inside your workspace. Plus, you'll understand what each screen is for, so you can move confidently through the setup. Start on your workspace overview. This is your high-level hub where you can see activity and navigate to the features you'll use most. From here, look for the Agents icon and click it. Depending on your layout and permissions, this icon may appear in the top header or the sidebar. If you don't see it, it may be hidden by your view or limited by your role, so make sure you're in the correct workspace and that your app is up to date. You'll land on the Agents in Space view. In ClickUp, spaces are like containers for teams, projects, or departments, and placing agents in a space helps keep automations organized and scoped to the right work. Think of this view as the home base for everything related to agents within that space, what exists today, what you can manage, and where new agents will live. Take a second to confirm you're in the intended space so your changes apply to the right area of your organization. Next, click Manage Agents. This opens the management panel where existing agents are listed and where you can start new ones. It's useful to get familiar with this area because it's where you'll return to review agent details, see how they're configured, and keep things tidy as your library grows. Now, click New Agent. This begins the creation flow. Even before you customize anything, this step sets the stage for defining the agent's purpose. It helps to have a simple statement in mind about what this agent should do and where it should act, so your choices stay focused as you proceed. Then, click. Write a prompt to define when your agent should trigger. This is the core of an agent's behavior. The prompt acts like instructions and guardrails combined. It explains the condition under which the agent should activate and what it should do once it triggers. Aim for clarity and precision. Describe the situation that should cause the agent to respond, and specify the expected action or output. If timing or scope matters, include that context so the agent doesn't act too broadly. You'll also see an option to learn more if you want deeper guidance on crafting effective prompts. That's the full path. Overview, Agents icon, Agents in Space, Manage Agents, New Agent, and the prompt definition. Follow these clicks to get from a blank slate to a clearly defined agent, all within the right space and with a prompt that sets solid expectations.